All right, I'm looking for a euro dollar buy. So we got this buy signal back down in here, 1 minute chart, and I'm just watching this now to pull back. I want to see these give me a green signal, so I'm going to set up an alert with this one, and it's going to be the blue line crossing up. It'll be a green or blue line exiting the buy zone. Well, exiting any zone, that'll do. That'll give me a stop loss as well. Okay, so we need the next alert on the euro dollar. MNQ, what have we got? I like this long. Now, I don't mind this pull back into VWAP. Let's just have a look at the delta. What's it doing? I'm going to buy market. Okay, pull back into VWAP here. Stop loss under. Sell stop. See how we go with that. It's probably a little bit aggressive. But I like this movement here. And the fact that we've pulled back down into retest the VWAP. Okay, so we'll hang with that and see how we go. Yeah, there is a red signal here though. Yeah, I'm mainly working off this VWAP line now as support. Just throw in a different volume profile. Just grab that. Yep, okay. So I'll move back up into here. Could be a thing. Yeah, I mean, back down in here, that was the opportunity. I totally missed it. Oh, we haven't had any signals firing yet either. Yeah, and again, look at the bigger picture. I really do like the 15-minute. See the signal here. Yeah, well, and the fact that that's starting to, yeah, it's still kind of separating out here. Yeah, I mean, that could turn around, and we got blue starting to move up. I'll hang on to it. All right, but like as I said, the main thing that I'm running off here is this VWAP and the break above VWAP and retest. Just keep an eye on that delta. So what have we got here? Okay, delta's starting to move up. So we've got a slight, do we have a bullish divergence? See my line under the delta, so it's a higher low versus slightly higher low. You want to see the delta start to move up. It doesn't look very promising at the moment with that red. Okay, just keeping an eye on this here. So we've got slightly higher high on the candles, and I'm just watching this. Like if this gives me a lower high, lower low, it's like a higher low, I should say. If that gives me a lower low, yeah, it's a little bit red. We're down $15. It doesn't hurt to knock your, like that's risk management, guys. Okay, so I'm going to sacrifice 15. It's not much, but the delta's is starting to move. We've got this lower low, and we've got a higher low here. So this is bearish. That's bearish. See that? And this will probably follow, but this occurred first. So I'm running off that. Yeah, there you go. See? So I just keep a close eye on that. Down it goes. Right, look at that. So we did the right thing. So what's our euro dollar doing? Hanging in there, isn't it? A bullish signal on that would be good. All right, we'll just wait for the signals. Okay, come back over to, just keep an eye on that delta. Yeah, lower. See, that's now bearish. All right, so we're out of our trade, so there's no risk at the moment. Okay, cool. Now we've got a signal. Let's just have a look and see what we got. Well, that's bearish. Yeah, I don't want to sell. Why? Because my bias is mainly bullish. Here, pull back, and I'm looking for this now to rally off this higher low. Okay, trend continuation. That's what I'm looking for. You know, it's traded back down into support. I mean, for all I know, it could break and trend lower, but we'll see. Back down here to the 1 minute. All right, the other thing you can grab is VWAP. Throw it on the low, throw it on the high, and just watch this VWAP cluster. See if we get a buy signal. Come back over here. All right, what do we got? I won't touch that yet. Yeah, where's my pencil? We've got lower highs. So now we're seeing a breakout. All right, starting to trend up. Yeah, I want to see it pull up and break above this VWAP here. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, delta is bullish. Right, bullish and bullish. Okay, that's a good sign. See how it's trading under this point of control? I'd really like to see it break above that, break and retest that. So something like that. See if we get it. Oh yeah, strong delta. Very strong delta. Let's go with it. Okay, I'll throw in a sell stop. See how we go. I don't have any signals. I'm just running off what I'm seeing. Mainly the strong delta here. Interesting stuff. Just want to see that now push. See the delta? Look at that. See, and it's ahead of price, so that should push up. I'd like to see it break above and retest that. What are we up? $2.50. All right, the break above VWAP is a good sign. Okay, taking a dump. We might see a stop run shortly. Got to watch out for that. I'm just hoping that that was the stop run. But, yeah, just watch out for a bit of a spike under. Okay, so delta, yeah, it's still bullish. Okay, higher low and much higher low. Okay, so the momentum is strong on the delta. Let's check on our... Okay, it's flat at the moment. Euro dollar. Yeah, that would have been a good idea to get long back down in there, and I missed that. So let's just see if we get another one. Yeah, so see how we've got prices giving us a higher high, but a higher low, but this is a convincing higher low. All right, now we're seeing a bit of momentum. That should be good for the euro dollar. Take it. Okay, 0.2 risk percent of balance. Okay, go in long. Okay, we've got a buy signal. Oh, it's a buy limit. Buy market. 0.2. Buy. Okay, so we're in there. Come back to our... Okay, so far so good. That's good for the euro dollar. All right, so we're up. I wouldn't mind pulling my stop loss to break even here. See how we go with that. Because sometimes these things can really take off. All right, so that's 100% risk-free. There's our buy signal. All right, that's a bit slow, off the mark, but yeah, okay. We'll see what happens. Okay, so see this fair value gap in here. All right, so what I'm wanting to see now is this travel through. Targeting, point of control. Hopefully we don't get taken out. I mean, if we get taken out, we just look for another entry point, hopefully lower, at a better entry price, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah, I like this gap through here. I mean, look, this thing can really move through the Asian session as well. The thing with this, yeah, I mean, look, I've seen it move. I'll show you a couple of things. See, it short off here, for example, and if you entered that short position there, stop loss to break even, I mean, really, really pretty well instantly. Okay, it never pulled back. So that's what I'm hoping that we're going to get one of those. Oh, look at this. Okay, so that's what we're after. All right, so what are we up now? $70. All right, don't be greedy. Let's just go to a 5-minute. Don't be greedy. And I'm not closing it. There's no harm in just taking bite-sized chunks. So let's just see if we get a... All right, I'm looking for a trend channel dot and... Oh, I like that 5-minute chart. Okay, but this level here is where it most likely is. We're gonna pull back 75. See, that's my TP level. Don't be greedy, guys. Just take your money and run. We're up 75. Okay, I'm just going to get ready to close. Although what I could do is do something like that. See what that looks like. Yeah. Not sure if I'm happy with that. I think I'd prefer to just bail at this point. Exit. Do it. Okay. So I've got a little bit of red thing coming in here. So let's just see if we can grab another entry. So let's just see this pull back. There you go. And the 1 minute exit. See the exit signal there? All right. So let's just see if we get another entry. So the way that I'm going to look for an entry now is going to be... just be careful too, because that could be a stop run and then it tanks. Let's just have a look at this one. Okay, that's a bit slow off the mark. But, yeah, momentum's... Yeah, we got 2 signals here bullish, so that's okay. I'll stay with that. This can really move too, so it'd be nice if we get something out of it. Yeah, I mean, that's scalping, guys. Scalping the NASDAQ. I'd like to see the candles turn red and then a green candle kick in. And another blue signal here. Yeah, look, see the signals kicking in here? They're the signals you want. So look, with a bit of luck, this will go on a bit of a tear now. Although we've got all this setting up in here, so I'm a little bit wary. I'm going to pull my stop loss up and just sit it at break even for now. Probably not the best idea, if you don't give it any room to breathe, all right? But we're up $70 already, so let's just see how we're testing this point of control now. That's big resistance, right? So I would rather just protect that in case it's a stop run above this range and it pulls right back. So you just got to be very careful. How are we? Yeah, all right, we'll see. I'm just going to take out some of these anchored VWAPs. All right, and then we're going to throw in some more VWAPs. Remove. That was the cluster, I think. It'd be amazing if that was to hold here and then just push off from there. I like these buy signals though. Anchored VWAP. So I'm just going to show you now what I'm doing here. So anchored VWAP on the low. Yep, that's pretty good on the high. And we've got the VWAP cluster and we're above it. So definitely bulls are in control. And again, guys, we're trading into, look at this resistance right now. If we can push up and then come back into it, that's the trade we want. And I'm hoping that it's just going to push from here. We're up 70, 100. Okay, yeah, like sometimes this thing can really move through the Asian session. Nice, huh? Now these buy signals are kicking in. This is a really good sign. See these? Look at this. Where are we? Up here. Don't be greedy, but right, that's definitely 88. It's looking pretty good. Wonder how far that's going to move today. It's 5 minutes. Don't be greedy and then it comes back and takes out your stop loss. Oh, did I miss something? That's bullish. Oh, I'm going to run with that market. 0.2. No, I don't have a buy signal yet on this one. Let's come back over here. Yeah, see? But, with a bit of luck, that's rallied and now pulled back. It might be one of those days. Who knows, right? Let's just go. Got a red signal here telling me to... No, look, that's down, coming back down to my entry point. See, that could have been another $80 and I didn't take it. Yeah, you get that. Just want to have a look at... see, this is looking good. See the green down in here? That's a 15-minute, so that's really nice. Down the bottom. The 30-minute, look at the 30 minutes. This is what you're looking for. All right. Then we've got green volume, but more important, we've got green moving up and we've got this green down in here. You know what? I'm up 70. I might just see what happens here because, if that moves, let me show you something. The NASDAQ, look at this buy signal kicking in here. Usually when you get a cluster like this, it runs and that won't get taken out in most cases. See the dot? Exit. Looking good, hey? Okay, so how are we going with this one? Did I miss that? I didn't take that trade. I thought I entered. Oh, no. I totally missed the boat. Oh, what a bummer. All right. Okay, guys, look. If you like what you see, I'm going to invite you to subscribe. And you don't need my Telegram signals if you're trading a prop firm account. And I'm going to highly recommend you do that. Like I'm trading 2 prop firm accounts, two accounts here. Okay, Lucid. I've got a Pro and I've got Lucid Flex, I think it is. I'm going to just close this, take my money and run because we're going to probably pull back. And this is a lesson not to be greedy and just take bite-sized chunks out every day. And don't just wait for that home run. There's no need to do that. We get another buy signal, I'll probably enter. You'd be better off doing what I'm doing here. And, yeah, look, see, it's pulled back now. Here we go, look. So let's just see if we get another entry. Watch the delta. Pull back down into, we've got this gap through here, Just watch it. Nah, missed it. Okay, I'm just going to wrap it up. Oh, there's another buy signal, see that? Right there, I should have taken that buy signal as it fired because it fired on the pullback. Just keep taking out bite-sized chunks and be consistent. Right, that's all I can say. Now, I totally missed the boat with that. I'm so bummed out. I wanted that trade. So anyway, we'll see what happens. All right, guys. What I was going to say was, if you go to my website and click on this here, join VIP, I would say just ignore that, the gold level and the platinum. The silver level is all you need. All right, I'm going to put all my futures videos in here. All right, so you're going to find that they will come into this channel down here. All right. Now, I was keeping this exclusive to the gold level and in Telegram, but I'm changing that. I'm going to make this available for the silver members in here. So jump into that. It's free for a week, this one here. And after that, look, it's only $29.95, right? So I feel like I've got a lot of value to share. And I'm happy to share it. So with that, guys, have a great day. And I will see you in the next one.